Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and fine, following the rules and guidelines of the government. Okay, this is the reading for the month of May 2020 for the zodiac sign Virgos. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out what's going on with you guys for the month of May 2020. Okay, lots of messages are coming to me that they want the reading for Virgos as soon as possible. So here it is. Okay, sorry for being delayed this time. One important thing guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the donation link is given in the description box below. Via Google Pay and PayPal you can donate. And if you want to support my channel with the help of personal reading, that you can book on one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship or situationship. The details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing guys is that if you want to learn how to read tarot cards and how one card resonates with another card, the details are given for the booking in the description box below. You can enroll. Okay, that is a 10 days online tarot learning workshop, and Vasol is also providing certificates for the same. Okay, and if you want to learn numerology and angelic numbers, for that also you need to register under 10 days tarot learning workshop. Okay, most important thing guys is that if you want to help and support my channel, you can like, share and subscribe. We are giving hashtag Vasol giveaway for the month of May, and we'll be providing the winners will be announced in the first week of June. Okay, so if you are really interested in knowing that what kind of how you can get a free personal 5 readings with me, you can check it out over there. Okay, in the description box below. Kindly like my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, kindly comment down hashtag Vasol giveaway. So the winner will be announced in the first week of June. Okay, so we are giving 5 personal reading. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasol Tarot Prediction. Also one more important thing, I am doing daily live sessions for all the zodiacs, for all the one second for all the zodiacs from Aries to Pisces on daily basis on Facebook. Okay, so yeah, we are taking out 9 cards: the past, the present and the future. Okay, give me 2 minutes guys. Sorry for the disturbance guys. Okay, let me check it out. Well, I basically think that this is a career reading. Okay, so let's check it out what's going on. Okay, I feel in the past you were very sure about doing a business or a job, whatever it is. This is basically a career related thing. Okay, so I feel that but for starting a business or a job into your career, it took a lot from you. Okay, in the past, like a lot of obstacles you had to face in the past, and currently also the situation is the same, that a lot of obstacles, burdens, problems were there uh, when you started your career. Okay, whatever it is, it might be job, it might be business. Okay, a lot of confusion, problem, dissatisfaction, lot of burdens, responsibilities you were going through in the past. Okay, so yeah, and the current energy also I feel the same. Okay, let me check out the current energies for you guys. Okay, yeah, so a completion is happening for you guys. Okay, an ending of something is happening for you guys. Ending in the sense that currently you are thinking, you are planning to start up with something new. Ending of some bad cycle, that means a karmic cycle when it comes to your money related issues. I think you are going through a lot of money related problems or issues in your career life, or your career was not going on really well. Okay, and right now there is a Ace of Pentacles pentacles, that means you are waiting for an opportunity, but that opportunity for earning money is on the way, but it is on hold right now, okay, because there is a lot of stuck energy I am seeing, okay. And you have to make a decision when it comes to that opportunity, whether you want to take that opportunity or not. You are no more having sleepless nights now, because you have either you have made a decision regarding an opportunity, regarding this opportunity when it comes to career, or else you have decided into your head, but you have not made an official statement currently, okay. And now you are no more conflicted right now, no more conflicts are going on into your head. Recently you were going through a lot of conflicts, problems, disputes into your head, that how you will move forward, what are the energies, how you have to um, move ahead when it comes to your career life. You had a stuck up energy when it comes to money related issues, because money is playing finances. You were worried about your finances, disputed about your finances, you were having sleepless nights when it comes to that, okay. But I feel that currently I feel this on 7th of May full moon happened, okay. And there was an ending of something, okay, ending of a bad situation, bad cycle happened, and you're trusting your intuition, okay. You're feeling very positive currently, or you will be feeling very positive in the upcoming weeks, okay. So there is a card of collaboration, okay. So you are thinking about collaborating with something, okay. A sort of collaboration when it comes to money related thing might take place for you guys. You are moving away from all the conflicts, all the confusions, all the problems, moving away from it, going for a new beginning when it comes to your finances, okay. There might be beginning in the same business or same job, but you are planning, you are being on an energetic mode, okay, now. And you are taking an action when it comes to your planning, how you want to proceed further. You are into your own power, okay, and trusting your own intuitions. There is a wheel of fortune, okay, worried about money, lot of, I feel you are having, you're worried about money for sure. Lot of money issues are there. You want 10 of pentacles, you want a lot of stability and independence when it comes to financial or materialistic world, but it cannot happen right now, because this is having an stuck up energy for you guys, okay. But also you are trusting your intuitions, and you want to move forward with this money related things, okay. Yeah, you want to stand in your own power. There is a rebirth happening for you guys, ending of something bad when it comes to money related issues. If there was money stuck up with for you guys, okay, an ending to that is coming, when you were working hard, but the money you expected you didn't received, okay. So those stuck up energy, those endings are coming, finally coming to an end, okay. And you are a rebirth is happening for you guys for sure. A rebirth is definitely happening for you guys, because you are releasing all the confusion, all the conflicts into your head, because you want, in the upcoming months, you want a lot of clear, you're gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to your finances, money, how you want to stand in your own power, how you want to proceed further. There is a Queen of Wands, stability when it comes to your money, how you want to proceed further when it comes to your money related things, okay. So yeah, you are taking an authoritative measure in the upcoming weeks. Lot of authorities, you will be standing into your own power for sure when it comes to your authority, okay. So yes, yeah. So six of swords, that means that you are going away from lot of bad situation, bad cycles, and moving forward towards your life. There is a world card happened, okay. So ending of a bad situation, bad cycle, it might be related to a career life, because we are talking about career, because there are a lot of pentacles, okay. So I'm talking about career here. So an ending of something is happening, okay. Ending of a bad situation in finances, abundance, or ending of some sort of ending of a job and starting a beginning of a new business or a new job. Okay, so you might be feeling that. Okay, and yes, taking a leap of faith, starting working towards your new goals, new beginnings, new aims. Okay, when it comes to financial abundance, setting up yourself financially for sure. Okay, so yes, yeah, you are, you want to work for three of cups. That means that, when it comes to your career life, you want that celebration when it comes to your career finances. Okay, and you are worried about it because right now you cannot celebrate or you are stuck up. But yeah, some an opportunity, a new offer is coming onto your way into your life. Okay, in the upcoming weeks for sure. And I feel that in the immediate future, a lot of offers are coming. You will be celebrating your finances, willfully. And you are just focusing on yourself and your finances, working on yourself and thinking about how to build up your own finances on your money. Yeah, you are healing, hoping, believing, and taking positive action when it comes to your uh, career life. Yeah, let me check down more. Yes, an offer is coming. Page is all about making an offer, clear cut offer. When it comes, an offer is coming towards you. Okay, some sort of collaboration, some sort of new beginning, new opportunities. When it comes to your career or money life for sure. So a lot of pentacles are coming for you guys. So yeah, you are gaining a lot of clarity. Okay, some sort of clarity is coming into your head how you want to proceed further when it comes to your money related finances things. Okay, so there's an offer is coming towards you when it comes to your stability. Okay, lot of abundance is coming in the upcoming weeks. Don't have a sleepless nights, and don't or else you are really worried about your finances or money or your career life. So don't be worried because things are coming to an end. There was a bad situation, bad phase when it comes to your finances, and that sort of finances or that sort of things are getting removed. Okay, so yeah, you are releasing a lot of you were holding up to your money and finances a lot. You were thinking about it, contemplating it, and you were not deciding, okay, that what you want to do in future of in the past. Okay, so in the immediate future you will be very much clear into your head. Yes, moving away from all the things and just focusing on yourself when it comes to money, taking action towards your money and your financial gains, your financial freedom. Okay, and working towards it. I think some sort of planning. You have already started planning, strategizing, and implementing things. You cannot implement it right now, but you have started planning into your head and executing it, how you will want to execute your finances into your head. So you have already started it. Okay, so some sort of justice will be coming for you guys, because if you were you were going through a lot of shit when it comes to your career and finances in the past, for sure justice is coming into your life when it comes to your career related thing. Okay, so you will be standing strong into your ground. Yeah, so you want to be this an independent, stable, secured person when it comes to financial freedom. Okay, gaining financial freedom. So this is very much talking about stability in finances, and that's the best part. And yeah, this is upcoming, this is coming in the future. Okay, you are taking an action towards it. And this Ace of Swords in the, yeah, lot of clarity, communication, and when it comes to money related thing, lot of offers might be coming towards you. Okay, so yeah, one I want to just know that what is the ultimate universal message for you guys. Okay, what you need to focus on, Virgos, when it comes to your financial freedom. Okay, how you want to work forward. So okay, this is the card. This is the full new beginning. Universe wants you to think. If you are working into your business, start contemplating it, thinking about it with something new. Okay, modifying it with something new in the same business. Okay, new beginning in the business. Okay, in the same existing business, but new beginning, new planning, new strategizing. Okay, and when it comes to your job, they want you to switch the job and start with something new, because there might some better offerings are there in the upcoming weeks for you guys, okay, or in the upcoming months, because there is a lockdown happening for you guys, okay. So yeah, so a new beginning is there. Yeah, sure. And yeah, so if you will do this, then there is a Knight of Pentacles, lot of offer will be coming towards you for sure, okay, but it will be coming in the slow motion, okay, or slow pace, but yeah, definitely it is coming. One more universal message, what universe wants you to tell you, how you want to, how you should proceed further. There are a lot of cards which are coming. Wait, let me check it out. Okay, see, again Knight of Cups. Okay, yeah, manifestation, start manifesting it only. Then you know you need to be positive, don't be distressed about your finances or career life. Start building it. You have already started building it for sure, planning it how you want to proceed further, but I feel that you know a lot of new beginnings will be there. Think to build up something new, build your empire with something new, but into a fresh start, okay. So for sure lot of things are coming onto your way, okay guys. So I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasoul Tarot Prediction. This is the reading for the month of May 2020 for the zodiac sign Virgos. This is mostly a career reading, okay. So yes, thank you so much guys.